Hi, I'm Dave Knight with the Dave Knight Real Estate Team, here to answer the question, can we sell our property as is? So many times when I get this question, it's a seller, and what they want to make certain is that they don't have to do a bunch of repairs to the property. They may have a trust property where they inherited the property. They may just not want to have to fix anything and just want to make it very clear that they're selling it as is. So absolutely you can do this. In fact, the way that the residential purchase agreement is written, so when a buyer submits an offer on a contract, in the contract it states that the property is sold as is. So you don't have to be redundant. It already states that the property is sold as is in the contract. Now, in escrow, the buyers need to do their investigations because they need to understand, well, what does as is mean and what are going to be the costs as they purchase the property as is. So a good agent is going to help their buyer investigate the roof, the sewer line, the foundation. They're going to do a general inspection to help highlight any additional inspections that should be done so that they fully know what as is means. Now, also according to the contract, the buyer has the option to do what's called a request for repair. So they can ask for something. If they discover that the foundation has major problems and it's going to be $40,000, that may affect their decision to move forward or back out. So they may request that the seller fix certain things. Now, according to the contract, the seller has the right to totally ignore that request. They don't have to do anything. The seller can say, sorry, we're not doing anything. If you don't move forward as you've agreed upon, then and buy it as is, then we're canceling. Or the seller may say, you know what, we didn't know about that. We'll give you X amount of money to take care of that and let you deal with the problem buyer. So there is, even though the property is sold as is, sometimes it can come up that it's best for the seller to give a little bit of money towards something. Sometimes the seller can just absolutely say, no, we're not going to do anything. At that point, it's all a renegotiation, because if you lose that buyer and the next buyer is $50,000 less, well, you probably should have done something. And so can a property be sold as is? Absolutely. In most cases now, in a seller's market right now, we're seeing properties completely sold as is. So those are great questions. Hopefully this video helps. Make it a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.